Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing and reviewing the Tecno Ace-A3 Bluetooth wireless earbud. So let's open the box and see what's inside. The Tecno Ace-A3 supports Bluetooth 5.0 with a stable connection up to 10 meters. The earbud has a 45 mAh battery which provides about 4.5 hours of playback with standby time up to 30 hours. Inside the box we get one user manual, 2 extra ear tips, one charging box with magnetic lid, and there is one charging port. And when we open the charging case, we get the earbud itself. The earbud features an 8mm speaker driver for clear sound and a built-in microphone for hands-free calling. It also has a splash and waterproof design. And the best part, this earbud is priced under 500 rupees, making it a perfect budget-friendly option. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.